In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Calendly or Outlook calendar link to your Leadpages thank you page. This simple yet effective step-by-step process ensures that your visitors can easily schedule a meeting immediately after signing up, making the most of their engagement. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser of choice and head over to the search bar. Go ahead and type in Leadpages and hit search. From the results that pop up, you'll want to look for the official Leadpages website, which usually appears as the first result, or just make sure the URL is leadpages.com. Go ahead and click on that link to access the site. Once you arrive on the Leadpages homepage, locate the Login button. It's often found at the top right corner of the page. Click Login, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Carefully type in your username or email, followed by your password, and then press Login to gain access. Now that you're inside your Leadpages account, look for the thank you page that you want to edit. This thank you page is essential as it serves as a follow-up to customer actions, like signing up or downloading a resource. Selection the page you need to modify by clicking on it, which will take you directly into the page editor. In the Thank You page editor, your goal is to find the text or button that you wish to integrate with your calendar link. If your Thank You page isn't currently set up with an interactive element, consider adding a button to enhance user interaction. Select the button element. You can usually find these options in the widget section of your editor. After selecting the button, you'll see settings appear on the side or bottom, depending on the editor's layout. Here's the fun part. Once you've clicked on the button, look for the setting that says Add Click Event or something similar. This is where you'll be adding your link. You need to decide whether you want to direct your clients to your Calendly or Outlook calendar scheduling link. These platforms are both great for streamlining your scheduling needs and making it easier on everyone involved. Copy the link from either Calendly or Outlook calendar and paste it directly into the link field of your button settings. Make sure everything is correct and that no extra blank spaces have crept in accidentally. This will make sure the link works perfectly, directing your users seamlessly to your scheduling page. After you've pasted the link, don't forget to save all your changes. Typically, you will find a Save button at the top right corner of your screen. Click it to ensure your edits are preserved. Congratulations! Your Leadpages thank you page now features a clickable link that will direct users to schedule their meeting with you immediately. This simple addition greatly enhances the value you offer and keeps future interactions in motion.